Okay, welcome back to Daily Driven Alpha. Right, a little bit of an update. We put some 2-pack epoxy red oxide primer into the engine bay. Get that nicely sealed up, and as you can see, we've also gone into the interior of the car and sealed that up. One of the things that we had to do was, and sorry, the light's not that good, but we had to do the roof, just get a sealing coat on there, because the etch primer that we'd been using allowed some moisture to get in. We had some surface rust, so we had to sand it all back down again. So that's a tip for anyone. If you're using the rattle can etch primer, make sure you get paint on it or epoxy primer on it as quickly as possible. Don't leave it for any length of time. The interior is look, we haven't, it's not immaculate and perfect, but all we wanted to do was seal it up, because it's going to get another coat of paint over the top of it, and then we're going to put some sound deadener and carpeting obviously into the car. You can see the roof still needs some work, and the exterior of the car. We've also done some of the boot areas, and we've cleaned that up, got some epoxy primer in, and that'll help seal things up. So really it's just to get the car prepared and get the interior areas ready for colour. On the outside of the car, we've done a couple of touch-up areas where we'd reworked some low spots, and you can see where we've put some paint on. We'll have to block sand that down again. We just wanted to double check, make sure that the little low spots were done. We also just gave the deck of the step nose another coat, and this guard here, where we had a couple of little high spots and low spots, that we just tapped out. And then obviously the front end still needs some work, but we put some colour on just to seal it up. Not that well, we can see some areas that we've missed, but really all it was just to get a sense of the shape and make sure that we're happy with where we are. We still need to work some of the filler on the front end. There's some spots there, but overall we're probably about a month away from getting colour on this car, so we're getting closer. So happy with that, and as you can see, starting to take shape. We're pleased with our progress. So short update, been away overseas for the last couple of weeks, and just come back and been able to get into the car. So that is a bit of an update for us at this point. So hope you enjoyed that. Hope your projects are going well, and once again, like, subscribe, share with other like-minded car people, or others for that matter. And if you have any comments, or you want to share any of your stories, please do so, as long as they're respectful. And we look forward to getting some other posts up for you next week, let you know on the progress. Thanks for watching.